it's Shannon. So today I'm doing a massive grocery haul. First of all, before I start, I want to say apologies for the background noise. My neighbor had a water pipe bust and they're digging up his entire front yard and it's a mess. And there's a bunch of trucks that are making a lot of noise and they won't shut up. And it's already almost 7 o'clock. And I figured they would be done by now, but nope. Nope, they're going to keep going. So we're going to film with it in the background because I don't have anything else to do. Second thing, it's time for my hair reveal. I mentioned this the other day in my video where I was going to do a review of my hair. So it's like this short now. It's like shoulder length. Don't worry, this side is not shaved. It's just up. And I got it colored today. I got some highlights put in. We're putting more highlights in tomorrow. Just because we didn't have enough time to get it to the shade we wanted today. And yeah, so I really like it. We got about 5 inches to 7 inches off. I'm not sure exactly. And I am obsessed. I love it so much. And yeah, so let's just get right into this. I filmed this once already, like halfway, and then my camera decided to fall down. So we're starting over. Most of it is still in bags behind me. So if I bend down and pick up bags, that's what I'm doing. But some of it's on the counter in front of me, so I'm going to start with that. Before I start, I want to say a lot of what I got is really easy, really simple meals that I can make due to the fact that next Tuesday, you guys are seeing this probably on Saturday or Thursday, I don't know which, but next Tuesday, my grandma is having her gallbladder out, and while she is at home resting, I just wanted easy things for her to put in the microwave and fix real quick, or things that I can easily prep a meal with and have in there for her to reheat and have to eat while she is resting. So let's just get started. First thing I got was this Kraft mac and cheese. This Olaf themed. I got this for me. These are really easy for me to take in my lunches and they're really good and I love them. So I just got a pack of 4 of those. And then I got some pasta because we use pasta in a lot of different meals at our house. We really enjoy it and it's really simple to reheat and I can make a variety of different things with it. So I got some rigatoni. I love Walmart brand pasta because it's like 82 cents and I feel like it tastes the same as any other brand. So I also got some shells and I got this pack, which is a huge box. There's like 4 packs of 1-pound packages individually wrapped of spaghetti. This will last us a long time. This was kind of, I got this one just so I could have it for future use. So yeah, it was a pretty good deal. It was like $2. Also, overall, we spent $145.86 and that would, without taxes, $142.65. So it wasn't a bad price for as much as we got. We still have a whole cart behind me to go through and I still have more stuff on the counter. So then I got 3 cans of Campbell's chicken noodle soup because when I had my gallbladder out, which is what her surgery is, I just wanted light like soup and broth the first couple days, something that was easy on my stomach. So I got her a couple cans of that. We already have a bunch, but those are just extra in case we need it. She also got some Chef Boyardee mini raviolis. And then she wanted some Ballpark Franks. I don't like hot dogs, but she does, so those are all her. Then I got some Kraft mac and cheese. They had a pack of 5 on sale for like $2 or something like that. So I got a pack, Star Wars theme, because that was the one that was on sale. I don't know how to pronounce this. And the last time I pronounced something wrong, a lot of people laughed at me and thought it was really funny in the comments. So apologies if I don't say this right. If you can correct me in the comments. I'm going to say Idahoan original mashed potatoes. I got the value size. Snoop, stop barking. Be good. I got the value size because we use these a lot and I really like the taste of them. A lot of times I'll just fix that and throw it in my lunchbox and take for lunch the next day. I think they're really good, they're really quick, they're really easy, and they're tasty. So then we got a pack of Heiner's hot dog buns for her hot dogs. And then I got some Jimmy Dean pancake and sausage on a stick. I get these because they're really simple on the go snacks. I can easily eat them in the car on the way to school. And I mean, they're really fast in the microwave, and she can also eat them at home. I mean, we eat them all the time just for snacks and stuff, and we both really enjoy them. So then we got some Great Value sliced mild cheddar cheese. Sorry, there's a truck backing up. We got a stupid beeping thing. Give me 1 second. I'm so sorry. I dropped the phone. Alright, I've already done this once, and that's how the first one got stopped, and I'm not stopping this time. I'm going to keep going. So I apologize for that. That was my fault. Next thing I got was some Great Value Colby cheese, the 1 pound, just because I like to have it on crackers and stuff. Alright, what's next? Oh, I forgot these. I got some Dole Idaho potatoes, a 5-pound bag. Then back to the noodles. I got a Great Value elbow noodles. This is a 2-pound box. It's the same price as the 1 pound, so I'm like, might as well get 2. Why not? Alright. This bag is mainly frozen stuff. So this is I got the Great Value cinnamon French toast sticks. Again, same with the pancake and sausage. We just love them for snacks or whatever. Then I got some Innovation Cuisine sticky white rice because I love it again. Then I got some frozen meals. Some for her to have, well actually 3 for her to have and 1 for me to have for lunch. So this is a Great Value fit menu, and it's the oven roasted chicken. It looked really good. Then she got 2 of these Stouffer's chipped beef. She loves that stuff. I'm not a big fan of chipped beef. She also got lasagna with meat sauce. I'm not a big fan of lasagna. I don't like lasagna at all, actually. But yeah. Alright, next, I'm not going to take these out of the bag, but I got 6 ears of corn because they were on sale for 10 cents each, and I'm like, you can't pass up that deal. That's a really good deal. Then I got some Florida's Natural orange juice with pulp. I like mine with pulp. She doesn't, but whatever. Oh my gosh, there's a spider. Goodbye. Thanks for joining us. I got a thing of I Can't Believe It's Not Butter. That's our favorite kind to use. What's next? I'm not going to take all these out either. But I got a pack of chocolate chip cookie dough. I forgot what they were called. And I got 7 of these triple cheese pizzas because I've been craving them lately, and they're really easy to have in my lunch, and they're really quick to make. I'm almost done, I swear. Then I got her a DiGiorno sausage and pepperoni pizza because I got myself the cheese. I don't like pepperoni. Actually, the last time I ate pepperoni, it made me really sick. So I don't know if like it's just something to do with my stomach or what. But I don't like pepperoni at all. So I just get cheese, and that's hers. Then in this bag, we got some cheese dip for our cheeseburger macaroni. We got a big thing of Heinz ketchup. Dropped something on my toe. I got some Prego homestyle Alfredo. That really hurts when it falls on your toe. And I got a giant jar of Jif crunchy peanut butter because I'm going to make some no-bake cookies. So I need a big jar of that. And then she just got 2 pairs of these Fruit of the Loom shorts because I don't know why. She thinks she doesn't have any shorts. So there's the other pair. And then I got some new socks, and we also got like 2 packs of underwear, but I'm not going to show those. But yeah, so that's everything we got today at Walmart. Again, I apologize for dropping the phone. I didn't mean to do that. The tripod it's on is really sketchy. You're standing on a container that is holding a glass spray bottle, and then a box that is holding, I don't even know what's in that box. And on top of that is my sunglasses like holder, my little sunglass case, which is holding the phone up. So yeah, that's everything I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 4 times a week. Let me know what you think of my hair. I like it. Let me know what you think. And I think that's it for today. I'm going to go put this stuff away and then I'm going to sit down because it's like 104 degrees outside and that's ridiculous. But yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.